Hello cute kids. Today we are going to learn how to draw pineapple. Let's start.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady.
This is yellow.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
Let's color these leaves with green color.
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair.
See how beautiful pineapple is looking. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.